Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make chicken soup in a very simple way. So you'll need a whole chicken. I've used Kienyeji chicken. Then I've added in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and some salt to taste. After that you're going to add in some water. Make sure you add enough water for boiling, then let the chicken cook under medium heat until it is well cooked and tender. Something about chicken kienyeji is that it has that natural sweetness and no spices is needed. But if you want spices, you can add to spice it up. So until this point, my chicken soup is ready to be served. As you can see, the chicken is well cooked and the soup is yummy. For sure, you can take this soup with some chapatis. It took me about 1 hour 30 minutes to make this soup. I hope you'll try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Until next time, bye.